What's up everyone, it's Sound Guy here again with another microphone test video. Today I'll be testing out the Samson C01U. And the microphone is about a foot away from my mouth, sitting on my desk. I'm using the microphone now, so this is what it sounds like. I'm going to do a couple tests, then I'll tell you what I think. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. Ba 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 ba. Pa 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 pa. Overall, I think I like this microphone. It's not too quiet and there's plenty of room to adjust it louder or quieter, whatever you want. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.